Daniel Mejia.
My name is Paulo Tabora.
My name is George Garcia, and we're out in Ocotillo Wells right now.
Today, man, honestly, just have fun with the guys, man. You know what I mean? Team R1, you know? Got my boy Rex right here, new dad.
All right. Daniel Mejia. I drive a 2018 Toyota 4Runner TRD Off-Road Premium, and we are in Ocotillo Wells. When I started the truck, I didn't want to fix anything. I just wanted to leave it stock, but you know, you start one thing and add something else, and I'm here. This is probably my third build of it, like swap, suspension-wise. A lot with stock brakes, you're not gonna stop. It's not gonna give you the same braking distance. That's the main thing. Especially the highway, heavy, all the weight you add to the truck, you lose all that stopping power because the brakes are stock. I mean, if you don't upgrade, it's all about the distance, the stopping distance. It helps you. You slam on the brakes, other brakes will still creep up. These will lock in and help you stop better.
All right, guys, good afternoon. My name is Paulo Tabora. Here's my 957 Porsche Cayenne, and we're right here at Ocotillo Wells. You know, a truck like this, it's fairly heavy. It has some power in it, so being able to stop is significant. It's one of the things that we definitely have to upgrade for sure. It was night and day, R1 compared to what it had before.
My name is George Garcia. This is my 2017 Toyota Tacoma, and we're out in Ocotillo Wells right now. I was like, okay, I need bigger, so I'll go with the 6-piston forge kit, slotted rotors, and huge improvement, huge. Like, I barely had to use the brakes. It would slow down so good. Like, now with the big brake kit, game on. Let's go.